In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google Sheets like a pro. If you've ever struggled with formatting text or simply finding more efficient ways to manage your data, you're in the right place. Google Sheets is a powerful tool with a variety of features that can significantly streamline your workflow once you know how to use them effectively. Today, I'm going to show you one of the most useful techniques: how to go down a line within a single cell without jumping to the next cell or causing unexpected changes to your spreadsheet. First, let's open your Google Sheets document. If you're starting from scratch or revisiting a familiar document, you'll find that navigating its features is straightforward. Once you have your spreadsheet open, identify the cell where you'd like to enter multiple lines of text. This technique is especially handy when you want to add comments, lists, or any kind of information that spans more than one line. Now, click on the cell you want to edit. This will highlight the cell, allowing you to input or modify the text. Here comes the crucial step. Instead of just hitting enter, which would normally move you to the next cell, you need to use a combination of keys to stay within the same cell while moving to a new line. Depending on the device you're using, the method may differ slightly. If you're on a Windows or a Chromebook, simply hold down the Alt key and then press enter. This keystroke will move the cursor down a line inside the same cell, allowing you to continue typing without any disruptions to your cell arrangement. For Mac users, the process is just a tad different. You'll need to hold down the Command key instead, and then press enter. This will achieve the same effect, giving you the flexibility to add organized and multi-line text in a single cell. After entering your text with multiple lines, you can format your content further if necessary, perhaps by using bold for headings, adjusting text alignment, or changing the font style for emphasis. In essence, knowing how to insert line breaks within cells not only helps keep your sheets tidy and visually appealing, but it also makes them more comprehensible for anyone else who may be reviewing your work or collaborating with you. Remember this simple trick the next time you're working within Google Sheets. Cultivating these small